Friends, today once again you are connecting to BLT English section with a summary of class 9th from Bihai book. And today we shall discuss how the summary is written. As in the previous video, I may have explained some more thing about how to write the summary. And one thing more, I want to tell you that whatever statements or whatever important points I will make you write in this video, you will have to copy all the words in your copy. You have to write all the words in your copy and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number, so as to make me aware that you have come to understand everything, each and every words of this summary. So let's proceed. So first line, how will you come with the beginning of the summary? In the previous video, I have told you that first line may be this chapter. As what is the name of this chapter? The fun they had. You have to write. If you want to write, mention the first you have to, I want to remind one thing, that you have to mention the title. What is the title of this story? The fun they had. You have to mention at the above. Okay, and start your line. When you start your line, first you have to write this story or this chapter has been taken by Isaac Asimov. This way first line has been completed, and thereafter you have to mention main theme. What is the main theme of this story? The main theme of this story is that in this chapter, in this story, the author has tried to make you aware of the education system in the future. This is what has author wanted to tell you here, that he has wanted to make you aware of the education system in the future, how our education system will change in comparison to our recent time. Got it? So the very thing the author has wanted to tell you here. So 2 or 3, after writing all these things, you have come to some question words, and you have to arise the question with what? First you have to arise the question with, arise the question with who. Who are in this story? In this story, who were as a character? As a character, there were two boys. There was a boy and there was a girl. Tommy was a boy whose age was 13 years and Margie's 11 years. Tommy find an old book which he shares with Margie. Margie was very surprised at the book. Why? What was the reason of her being surprised? The reason of her being surprised was that the text being written on the book was not moving here and there as it happens in her computer screen. You may have guessed that when I have completed, or when I have finished teaching you, the text written on your screen automatically moved away. In the like manner, Margie thinks that why doesn't the text move on the paper? That is why she was very strange of finding that book, because she was not coming to believe that book, because she has never seen such a book, or she has never heard such information whatever she has got from that book. And then arise the question with what? What was in this story? What was the book? This story was about book. The book was about centuries ago. And mention something more in the very line. What will you write? What will you mention in the very line? You have to mention that Margie was very surprised that earlier the students, in the past time, the students were going to a school with their friends, with their neighbors, and even sitting, even reading, even studying in the classroom with their friends, with their neighbors. That is why Margie was very surprised of the past school. And this line, after finishing these lines, you have come to the next point. And next point, how will you come? And at the last, you have to write what? When Margie and Tommy were reading the book, Margie's mom called her to attend her class. Where was her class? Her class was at the home, in the virtual class with her mechanical teacher. So when her mother called her to read with her mechanical teacher, Margie had to leave that book, leave the stop reading the book. So she went away and she said to Margie, she said to Tommy that I want to read this book as it was very interesting, and she wanted to read more of the book as it was feeling very strange. And at the last, what point we have to mention? You have to mention that in this story, the author has made us aware of what is going to happen in our future with education system. So friends, I hope you may have completed your the summary of this chapter.